Your hair is not dry. You are. What do I really mean? Keep your hair hydrated. In this video, we are going to talk about hair hydration and how to do it. The difference between hydration and moisturization, the benefits, the results you get if you hydrate and moisturize your hair. Welcome to Hair Altogether. If it's your first time here we talk about everything around hair health, care, tutorials, protective style, DIYs. Hair hydration, I mean water, application of water into your hair. It's the deeper penetration of water into your hair follicles. Right there, what I'm doing, I'm applying a water bottle spray onto my hair so that it hydrates. Let your hair drink water. That's what we mean by hydration. Hydrating and moisturizing hair is essential for maintaining a healthy, vibrant hair looks. You will need a hairspray bottle if you need to hydrate your hair. If you don't have any, you can still do that water, but the spray really does it well. Something else you must not forget is drinking water. Sufficient water supports hair growth from roots to the tips, and that is within your body. While moisturization is the application of products, hair products, the oils, the conditioners, which lock in moisture into the hair. After hydrating your hair, the next step is to moisturize. There I'm adding a conditioner and hair conditioner. It helps to lock in all the moisture because you made your hair drink, so now it's time to lock it up in so that you can't easily get it, especially those who with naturally dry hair. So there I'm applying a hair conditioner. Make sure you massage your scalp so well. For your information who is watching, healthy hair doesn't mean long hair. You can have short, medium, long hair, but healthy. What does healthy mean? Healthy means the integrity to retain moisture. Does your hair have strong growth cycle? Is it rooted on a healthy scalp? Massaging the scalp helps to stimulate blood flow so that all what you've applied can easily be taken up into your scalp. I'm actually using clove water. That's why my water bottle has brown water. You might be wondering, yeah, it's clove water. It has a lot of benefits that I'll explain in the next video. If you find this helpful, kindly click the like button so that this video is recommended to other people who might need this information too. Results for hydrating your hair. It reduces hair frizz. It adds that natural shine to your hair. I think you can see it in the video right there. It gets that natural shine which you didn't have before. It makes your hair more manageable and very soft to touch. I can easily pass my fingers through than in the beginning when it was really hard to pull out all that hair. For an extra shine, you can apply hair oil, like the one you see there in the video. Any hair oil of your own choice, it really works. You can also apply an hair oil hairspray for an extra shine. Then you style your hair in any way that fits you. Your hair will look different. It will have that natural shine. It will be more manageable. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel so that it is recommended to other people who also need this information. Walk with us if you're on the journey of healthy hair care. Watch out for more tips from Hair Altogether. Watch this video if you need to know why you need to relax your scalp in between each and every protective style. Thank you for watching.